Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a last minute gift guide. All of these products are available from Ulta Beauty and I wanted to focus this on the beauty lover in your life. So although it's not all makeup products, they are all beauty products to give someone special for the holidays. I do really love the Benefit tints. So this is just the original Benetint and then Flora tint. I think there's like 4 or 5 different shades of the Benefit tints. They are so nice because you can wear them underneath makeup or on top of makeup. They can be used on cheeks and lips, which I really like. Flora tint is more of a soft rose, and then Benetint, I feel like everybody knows this. But I feel like that's why this would be great for somebody who wears a lot of makeup or somebody who even doesn't really wear a lot of makeup, because they do look really nice and natural and they can be used in a routine. So they can be like the beginning of a lip combo. They make really great bases for lip combos to just kind of put a little bit of gloss on top. I'm wearing Benetint with gloss on top today. And then I think Flora tint is also really pretty on the cheeks as well. Like they're great. And because these are stain tints, they last so long on the face or the lips, so they're great. Like seriously, just like a little bit of Benetint with some gloss on top, a little bit of lip liner, great lip combo. Okay, now I also love a peptide lip treatment, and I think 2 of the best are both available at Ulta. So this is the Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Instant Firm Lip Filler Plumping Peptide. This one only comes in 1 shade, so it's kind of like a soft pearly pink, but it definitely leaves the lips looking visibly more full. And because this plumps the lips through peptides, it's not a tingling burn, so it's not an uncomfortable plump. But seriously, like your lips could be like dry and deflated looking, and then you put a little bit of a peptide lip plumper on and then they look nice and plump again. And then I also love the Ole Henriksen ones, the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatments. I love every single shade of the ones from Ole Henriksen, and they also just came out with glimmer versions. So instead of like the original Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatments, these ones have a little bit of shimmer to them. They are divine. They are so pretty. And I'm not sure if the glimmer shades are going to be completely limited edition or people are just going to love them so much that they keep them around permanently, but the Ole Henriksen ones come in really lovely tints. So again, really great for somebody who maybe doesn't wear a ton of makeup and they just want like a little kiss of color on the lips. The Ole Henriksen ones are absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I have every single shade, so I can't recommend one more than others. I would say out of the original, my favorite is definitely going to be the Strawberry Sorbet. And then out of the new glimmer shades, I love the Creme Brulee Shimmer, and this one is the berry. It's Lingonberry Jam. I also feel like the gift of hair care is a really great thing to gift someone, especially if it's products that they might not be more likely to splurge on for themselves. So one of my favorite products to gift would be like a nice shampoo and conditioner, something that they can treat themselves to. It becomes part of their self-care ritual. If you've been watching me for a while, I feel like you know how obsessed I am with this line from Bumble and Bumble and how many years I put it in my, how many years in a row I put it in my yearly roundups for hair care. This is the Bond Building line from Bumble and Bumble. It smells like the most beautiful decadent honey treat without being like sickly, sweet, or overpowering. And this line in general is great. So maybe you don't want to do the shampoo and conditioner, but I do like the thermal spray and the leave-in from this line as well. I feel like this is a really great shampoo because it cleanses the hair without making it feel stripped. I can smell the shampoo and conditioner as I'm speaking about it, and the smell is so good. I feel like it's a great gift to give. But the shampoo cleanses the hair without making it feel overly stripped or overly washed to where it's like squeaky and dry feeling. And then the conditioner, I feel like this performs more like a hair mask. It leaves the hair feeling beautiful and buttery and smooth. I feel like everyone is obsessed with in-salon glossing treatments right now, and obviously depending on your hair length or your hair color or how often you're going, it adds up. Those are really pricey in-salon treatments. DP Hue has a glossy glaze. So this is just an in-shower gloss. This one comes in different shades, but then it also comes in clear. I love in-shower glosses. I think that they work so much better than you would think. I think that they're really slept on as well. Like there's so many great brands that have in-gloss shower treatments. They make the hair so shiny. Your hair will literally shine like glass, and that some of them that have like the color depositing, they actually kind of bump up the vibrance of your hair color, I would say. It's not going to totally color the hair to where you notice that much of a difference where it's like, oh, I feel like I just, dyed my hair. It's not going to be like that. It's just going to slightly enhance the tone of your hair color. But I love these. I think that these are great to use maybe once a week or every other week, and it's obviously so much more affordable than doing an in-salon gloss treatment. Honestly, just as effective. Like, so shiny, and they make your hair like even feel ultra conditioned as well. So I love an in-shower gloss treatment. I think this would be a nice little treat yourself moment to gift someone. Hair masks are also really nice to gift. So I love the ones from Way. It comes in 2 different ways, 2 different hair types, so you can get fine to medium and then thick. So the thick one is obviously going to be really great for coarse, thick hair, so it's not going to weigh it down as much, whereas fine to medium, it's really nice for those hair types in between without making the hair feel greasy or like it's got so much product in it. The Way deep conditioners also have the most luxe ultra buttery feel to the hair once you've rinsed them out, and they also smell really good. So truly, after you use the Way hair mask, for days until the next time you wash your hair, it just smells like a salon. You'll get like whiffs of your hair and it smells so good. Leaves the hair so buttery, so shiny, manageable, feeling ultra moisturized, just nourished. So really great in shower routine to gift somebody. And I feel like a nice hair mask is also like a really great way to get somebody to, you know, want to try something new, or, you know, just give them something like a way to treat themselves a little bit extra. I also think that the gift of fragrance is extra special, so that's what's really great about Ulta Beauty. There's everything from niche fragrance brands all the way to your Dolce & Gabbana, Valentino, Tom Ford, you've got all of those. But I do think the brand that was extra special to me and I really fell in love with this year was Orbella. So Orbella fragrances are a little bit different. They actually separate when they're sitting and then you shake before you apply. Hands down, my most worn from Orbella was Salted Muse. I am obsessed with this fragrance. It literally smells like the seaside. It is salty but also woody and quite fresh. So I loved Salted Muse. And then a really great everyday is Orbella Window to Soul. So that's kind of the nice thing about Orbella. They have these beautiful opulent perfume bottles, and you could get the big size, but they also do have the little Orbellas, a little holster that you can put the smaller ones in. I love Orbella. I love how they look like crystals. Nightcap is also really good. I think it has a little bit more of a spicy note to it, but Orbella, I feel like if I saw some Orbella for a gift for me, I'd get so excited because I just think not only is it beautiful, but the fragrance is also really nice and unique. So if you have anybody in your life who's a fragrance lover, I think they would be very excited by Orbella. I know I would. These are my top 2 IT Cosmetics brushes. Again, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I've been using both of these and recommending them for literally years. It will not change. These are 2 of the best brushes, and I think they're also really great all around, kind of like daily drivers when it comes to makeup brushes, and the makeup lover in your life will get a lot of use out of them. Especially this one, like if you're going out with the girls, you could literally just do your makeup, throw it in your bag. This is the IT Cosmetics number 7. On one end you have a really nice kind of like medium density foundation brush and a concealer brush on the other end. So perfect for doing touch-ups or application. It is super soft, really nice buffing brush, anything from like liquid foundation to cream bronzer, cream blush, cream concealer, liquids and creams. It's absolutely phenomenal. Could not recommend this brush to you enough, and I do like that it is dual-ended, so you get 2 for 1. Now, this is the Wand Ball powder brush. Exceptional for anybody that likes a little bit more of a natural airbrushed finish. So beautiful for bronzing. This brush literally does all the work because of its shape. It's got that nice ball shape. So anybody who wears a lot of powder products, I think they would just be so excited over this brush. Great for blush, finishing powder, bronzer, that whole deal, but lovely. I use this brush so much. And with the IT Cosmetics brushes, I can definitely speak to the quality of them and the years that I've had them in my makeup collection, and even how regularly I use them. If you take care of them, they will love you back and they will give you beautiful makeup application time and time again. I also feel like giving the gift of a quality makeup brush is just such a nice thing to do for the holidays, to give somebody something that they can use every singeday. This is Naturium's Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Butter. I do want to show you this because it is whipped and thick and luscious and amazing, and I think anyone would love this. And the Glow Getter line from Naturium is definitely my favorite, but the body butter I think would be really ideal because it's cold, it's dry. You can put this, literally slather your body in this, and it's such a nice treat at the end of the night or after you take a shower. It's just a nice way to keep the body nice and moisturized without feeling sticky. Like the Naturium one, it definitely does the job without feeling like too heavy on the body. and it makes your skin glow. And I love this whole line. So you can get Naturium Glow Getter from Ulta, but I would say like the body butter is something a little bit more luxe, something a little bit more special, really nice for the colder months. And the Glow Getter line is also really lovely scented. It's not over the top. Like, it has a little bit of a fragrance, but it's nothing that's going to be like too on the nose to where somebody who's sensitive to fragrance would feel like it's overwhelming, but it has just the right amount of like freshness to it. So Naturium Glow Getter Body Butter, I would highly recommend this. Out of all the Naturium body products, this is the one that I would say is like gift giving worthy. If you are feeling extra splurgy and you want to give someone a gift of a luxury face mask that actually produces results, I think the Clarins ones are the way to go. The Cryo Flash Cream Mask. This one is really nice and moisturizing. You can tell this is well loved. This is a constant repurchase for me. I love this mask. It has kind of like a cooling sensation, quick, instant moisturization to the skin. So if the skin is looking a little bit parched, feeling really dry, if you've got someone in your life who has particularly paper dry skin like I do, this mask, I use this multiple times a week. Every time I'm running low, I repurchase. So I can actually attest to this making my skin look noticeably better looking. And the Clarins Intensive Facial Lift Wrap Mask. This is incredible. The way that this just like kind of like depuffs, snatches the face so quickly, it's unbeatable. If I'm traveling, I always make sure that I have this with me, because you know, you just get puffy from like the flight, staying in a hotel. It's just, things are different. I feel like I'm perpetually puffy when I'm traveling especially, but also just like if you don't sleep enough, you get a little bit of puffiness. This is really great for just kind of like snatching the face and just giving you a visibly noticeable result in a short amount of time. These are not masks that you won't see a difference from. You will see a difference from these masks. It's visible. Of course, the results are, you know, temporary, but sometimes you do need a quick fix. And for that quick fix, I feel like the Clarins, it's actually worth the price point in my opinion. Last product I really want to mention is Touchland. So this is kind of like the bougie hand sanitizer, and I feel like this would be a really great stocking stuffer, but also like this is a nice hand sanitizer. They have so many different amazing fragrances to them, so I feel like it's a little bit more of like a sensorial experience, and they just look really nice. I mean, they're just pretty hand sanitizers, so if it gives you joy to apply a hand sanitizer that just looks a little bit nicer. If somebody got me Touchland for a gift, I would honestly be so excited, because they all smell good. It's just, it's cute, it's fun. You just do a little spritz in the hand. I think this would make a really lovely gift, or a stocking stuffer, whatever you want to do. I feel like, you know, just like a nice little luxe moment with your hand sanitizer, something that you use every day and you keep in your car or in your purse. Touchland, this is what I would recommend. So that's the last thing. Again, all of this available at Ulta Beauty. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below. I'll do my best to help you. But other than that, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye everyone.